All right, everyone. So this is day one of the OneUp Trader 100K. I don't know what they call it. I know Topstep calls them the Combine, or Earn2Trade calls them the Gauntlets. I'm honestly not quite sure what OneUp calls them. I'm going to track my progress here. I thought I would show my dashboard, but I just want to show this. As of right now, they're doing maintenance, so I can't show my dashboard because none of the numbers are updated. And I kind of have my screen truncated just to hide my username. But I just want to show this so you can see. I don't think you can see my mouse, but over here on kind of the left, balance 0, even though day one is done. And I'm going to show you Rhythmic in a second. And profit target is 6,000, so it's up to 12 contracts. And yeah, so here I'm going to jump now to Rhythmic to show you how day one went. Okay, so here's Rhythmic. If you're not familiar with Rhythmic, it's essentially the way you connect to the market. You can trade through Rhythmic. I don't think most people do. I don't personally either. They do have their own charting software and whatnot, but usually people use other software like Ninja Trader, or I use Jigsaw Day Trader, and you kind of park that on top of Rhythmic, do your trades in, say I use Jigsaw, and then Rhythmic is basically your account, if you will. It's what connects you to your account and sort of actually books the trade. So I've kind of hidden my account number and stuff over here. You'll see cash on hand. That's basically your starting balance. So I did the $100,000 account here in the middle. Account balance, I'm just going to click on it here so you can't really see my mouse, but you'll see account balance 106.78, closed profit 843.75. The difference is the simulated commission. So essentially my balance is 106.78.75. I did quite a few trades today, and I will show you those next in Trader View. Okay, so this is Trader View, completely optional. This is completely unrelated to OneUp Trader, but I use it as it's a journaling software and kind of a performance analytics software. So I might do a separate video on just Trader View and walk people through. I really like it. I've tried a few different of these types of websites / software, and this is the one that I kind of ultimately landed on, and kind of surprised because at first I wasn't. It's not as flashy looking as some of the others, but ultimately it is actually the best in my opinion. So I'll show you the trades I made today. I already have it filtered on today only. So I trade the Ultra Bond. So that's what this is, the Ultra Bond. Basically, I'm not going to run you through every trade, as I know it's pretty boring. I get bored myself. Starting at the bottom, my very first trade was honestly just a test trade to make sure everything was hooked up correctly. So I made $30. That was one contract, one tick. Then I went on, made 625, 125, lost 500 on the next one, made 125, lost 125. This is the worst trade of the day. The big mistake I made was I upped my contract size. So it says trade at 12. It means it's actually 6. So I bought 6 and then sold 6. So this was actually trading 6, whereas this was like trading one lot on this very first one. So trading 6, took a beat there. Last trade though, I upped my contract size to 12, which is the maximum allowable in this 100K combine, whatever they call it, evaluation, I think they call them. And made a $1,500 win there. I had a very tight stop on this very last trade. Like I was not taking any more of a hit after this one went against me. So if you're wondering, like, yes, I mean, I'm not happy about the fact that I just kept upping my contract size, but I did kind of wait for this trade a little bit more. I was patient, definitely was looking for about a 4-tick move. Went in with 12 contracts, set a very, like a 1-tick stop, and just got the best of it, and that saved the day. So all these trades is what netted to the 800 and whatever it was dollar win, less the commissions, the 600 and whatever dollar win it was. So that's my day one. So I will continue to journal my progress through the OneUp Trader, and then hopefully show the funded side as well.